Behind the scenes, activity surrounding Thailand's national portrait competition this year has been ongoing for some time. The entries have now been judged, the winners announced, and an exhibition of 80 of the best entries opened in the photographer's gallery on the second floor of River City Bangkok. The opening was busy, very busy. Most visitors stayed for much longer than usual. It has to be said that the quality of work on display is excellent. As is often the case at River City, several of the artists were in attendance chatting and being photographed. These are the two winners, and there will be a third. Visitors to the exhibition are invited to cast a vote for what they consider to be the best exhibit. The votes will be counted and the winner of the People's Choice Prize announced at the close of the exhibition on the 13th of November. More information is available on River City's own website. There's a link in the description.